Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can make a voucher in Canva in 2025, and it will be a quick step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to come to the home and you will get to see something like this. So here actually you can see this will be the interface for you. So if you want to create a voucher, you just need to be search here the voucher word, the keyword in here, and you will get the pre-made template for your uses. So here I will just click on vouchers. So once I click over here, then here you can actually see the vouchers. So first of all, let's talk about what is the Brochure. So here you can see that is the Brochure. So you can see this one, any shop or any office you visit. So you can see this is the Brochure. So you can create this Brochure with the Canva. Here you can see we already created a couple of templates in here. You can choose one of them and you can start your work. You just need to click over here, and if you feel this one is quite good, then just click on customize this template. Once you click over here, then here it will open into the editor panel, and here you can see we have two design in here, and here you can see how amazing that was. So here if you want to edit this element, you are allowed to edit it too, and if you want to create and thing from the scratch, you can also create that one. It is really amazing. Like here you just need to be add text, like we are going to add this text in here, like in that place, and we're going to add this image in here. Let's place it here, then increase the size of the image. This is the our own image. Then we are going to add this text in that place. Here we are going to add this one and that place, and we are going to place an image over that place, and the image will be something like this. This one will be the image. I'm going to place it here, and then here I'm going to place the text in that place, and I will place the image. So here you can see how easy the process was. You can create your Brochure, and then I'm going to place the image also in that place, and here I'm going to place this one in here, and then I will copy the text and I will place it that place, and I will rotate the text 0 degree, and I will place this text in here. You can add more things as it you want. You can add elements here, you can add things for your users. So that's it. Creating of a brochure is really simple. You just need to understand how you want the design. You just need to make a mock-up, and then you can do your eventual work. I hope you understand how you can create a brochure. So I hope you love this video. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.